Instance and image-level annotation. In the realm of computer vision and machine learning, annotation is a fundamental task that involves providing labels or tagging objects within an image or dataset. Annotation plays a crucial role in training machine learning models for object classification tasks. One of the popular techniques used for annotation is instance and image-level annotation. In this tutorial, we will delve into the details of instance and image-level annotation and how it relates to the main topic of active learning techniques for object classification. 1. Understanding instance annotation. Instance annotation involves the labeling of each individual object instance within an image. The goal is to precisely identify and annotate each object of interest separately. For example, if we have an image containing 2 dogs, instance annotation would require us to annotate each dog separately by drawing bounding boxes around them and assigning appropriate labels. This level of annotation is useful when the task requires distinguishing between different instances of the same object class within an image. 2. Advantages of instance annotation. Instance annotation provides several advantages in object classification tasks. By individually labeling each object instance, the model can learn to differentiate between different instances of the same object class. This level of annotation also enables the model to detect and classify multiple objects of the same class accurately. Furthermore, instance annotation helps in object segmentation tasks where the goal is to precisely delineate the boundary of each object. 3. Introduction to image-level annotation. Image-level annotation, on the other hand, involves labeling an entire image with a single label, representing the predominant object or class present in the image. Instead of annotating each individual object instance, the focus is on providing a general label for the entire image. For example, an image containing multiple dogs may be labeled with a single tag, dogs, without differentiating between the individual instances. 4. Use cases of image-level annotation. Image-level annotation has its own set of use cases. It is particularly useful when the task at hand only requires knowing the presence or absence of an object class in an image, without the need for precise localization or differentiation between multiple instances. This level of annotation provides a broader understanding of the image content and can be applied to tasks such as image categorization or scene understanding. 5. Active learning techniques for instance and image-level annotation. In the context of active learning techniques for object classification, both instance and image-level annotation can be used strategically to improve the efficiency of the annotation process. Active learning involves iteratively selecting the most informative samples to annotate, reducing the annotation effort required while ensuring the model's accuracy. For instance-level annotation, active learning methods can prioritize the selection of images or instances that are particularly ambiguous or challenging. By annotating these samples, the model can learn to handle difficult scenarios effectively. Active learning can also help in selecting representative samples from different object classes, ensuring a well-balanced training set. In the case of image-level annotation, active learning techniques can focus on selecting informative images that push the model's boundaries, promoting learning in cases where the model may otherwise struggle. This strategy can help in reducing annotation effort by prioritizing images that provide the maximum learning gain. 6. Conclusion. Instance and image-level annotation are crucial techniques in the field of computer vision, specifically for object classification tasks. Instance annotation provides detailed labeling for individual object instances, enabling the model to differentiate between different instances of the same class accurately. Conversely, image-level annotation offers a broader understanding of image content by providing a single label for the entire image. Active learning techniques can be employed to efficiently annotate samples at both instance and image level, reducing the annotation effort while maximizing the model's learning potential. By leveraging instance and image-level annotation along with active learning techniques, we can boost the performance and efficiency of object classification models, making them more accurate and adaptable to various real-world scenarios.